If your turtle tank smells bad, that's not normal. And no, that's not because your turtle is a dirty animal. It's because something in your setup is wrong. Vanakkam Turtle family, this is Ram from Miami. One of the most complaint that I hear is my turtle tank smells within 1 or 2 days, and most people keep changing water again and again, and the smells keep coming back. So in this video, I will explain why this happens, what you are doing wrong, and how to fix it properly for a long term. A healthy turtle tank should not smell bad. You might get a slight earthy water smell, but not a strong dirty odor. If it is smelling bad, it means the waste is breaking down into the water, the bacteria is building up, and the system is unstable. Let's talk about the biggest mistakes. Number 1. No proper filtration. Turtle produces a lot of waste. If your filter is small, then the water will smell. Number 2. Overfeeding. Uneaten food rots faster. This is one of the biggest smell causes. Remove uneaten food within 10 minutes of feeding. Number 3. Small tank. Less water, faster dirt buildup. Small tanks get dirty very fast. Number 4. No water changes. Even with a filter, partial water change is must. Filter helps, but they don't replace water changes. Number 5. Dirty substrate. Now, let's talk about how to fix this. First, upgrade your filtration. Use a strong filter, ideally rated 2 to 3 times of your tank size. More filtration, more stability. Second, increase water volume. More water, dilution of waste. Bigger water body keeps the water clean for a longer time. Third, and the most important, the control feeding. Feed in a fixed area or a separate container if needed. And don't forget to remove the leftovers. Fourth, weekly partial water change. Change about 20 to 30% of the water every week, and not the full water because it keeps the good bacteria alive. The final one, the clean routine. Remove wastage that are visible in the tank. Keep a wide basking area. And always clean the filter medium regularly using a turtle tank water itself and not the tap water. Part 4. Let's talk about some pro tips. Bare bottom tank, easiest cleaning. Always add a pre-sponge filter to your motor so that it catches biggest wastages, and avoid adding chemicals or perfumes. Also, avoid overcrowding your tank with so many turtles. Remember, clean water is your turtle's immune system. Let's talk about why this matters. Dirty, smelly water doesn't just look bad. It leads to shell infection, eye infection, respiratory infection, and also weak immune system. Smell is the first warning sign. If your turtle tank smells, don't ignore it. Fix the system, not just the water. Remember, your turtle doesn't need a fancy setup. It needs a stable one. If this helped you today, subscribe for more turtle videos. If your tank keeps smelling and you're not sure why, DM me on my Instagram at my.ome to book a consultation. I will help you fix your setup step by step. To all turtle parents, see you on the next.